In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Notion content. Keeping a reliable backup of your notes, documents, and databases is essential, especially if you collaborate with others or rely on Notion for daily work. This quick walkthrough will help you create a clean, organized export you can store safely or move between devices. Start by heading to notion.com. If you're not already signed in, click Login. If you're using the desktop app, you can select Launch Notion instead. Once you're in, navigate to the workspace that contains the content you want to back up. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one so your export includes the correct pages. Open the specific page you want to back up. This will be your main starting point for the export. From here, click the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the page. This opens the page menu with several options. Scroll down and select Export. You'll see a window with export settings that control what gets included and how it's formatted. For the export format, choose Markdown and CSV. This option is ideal because it keeps your page content readable in plain text while also exporting databases as CSV files, which are easy to open in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or any data app. It's a future-proof choice that doesn't lock your content into a single platform. For databases, select Current View. This will export your databases exactly as you see them on the page, including any filters or sorts currently applied. If you want a different view, adjust it on the page before exporting. For content, choose Everything. This ensures your text, images, files, and embedded elements are included wherever possible. Turn on the toggle for Include Subpages. This is crucial if your page has a hierarchy of nested pages and you want them all backed up together. Also turn on the toggle to create folders for subpages. That way, your export preserves the structure of your workspace, keeping related content neatly organized in folders that mirror your Notion setup. When you're ready, click Export. Notion will prepare a zip file. If your page is large or has many subpages, the export may take a moment. Once it's done, the file will download to your default downloads folder. Inside, you'll find Markdown files for pages, CSVs for databases, and folders that reflect your subpage structure. Everything you need for a reliable backup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.